Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of code 2098 by updating the firmware, which usually fixes it. First, you're going to go into the dealer menu. If you don't know how to do that, watch my other video. When you get in there, you're going to go to display, and then you're going to go to where it displays firmware. It should be version 1.18. If not, then you need to update it. If you can't get into the dealer menu, you can go into the submenu and then go to edit and then go to where it says update firmware. Try pushing yes. If it doesn't let you push yes, then usually it means it's up to date. If it does, then you can usually update it. And you're going to do that by pushing yes and then enter, and then it's going to ask you to put in the USB drive. If for some reason it doesn't read the USB drive and find the file, I will usually leave the USB drive in and then exit out of it and then try it again. And then that usually works. If not, then there's something wrong with your file and you need to redo it. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, watch my other videos. Thanks. Bye.